Hello, beautiful people. You're all welcome to this upcoming nature video. I hope you sit and enjoy, grab a glass of wine, your soda, and enjoy this little piece of nature. Hope you enjoy it. God bless you.
Yes, guys, this is what I'm looking for. With the water coming. There are people over there. Beautiful. And that means the water comes out here. Beautiful place. I really love the water. That's my first time here. Nice. Oops. Go all the way up. Long pictures. There's a guy doing martial art over there. Relaxing. Guys, put it in the comments section. Let me know how you like this place. It's now so nice and beautiful. A lot of families, lovers, friends just walk here. You can see I'm breathing high because look, it's a hilly place, so I'm way up. Like I said, those that like hiking, you can come here and walk up the hill and walk down. It's a beautiful place. This is the Cascade Spring Park Reserve. Just look at where I am. Look at down there, and I'm up. You can see that place is down. That's where the stream is. I walked from that place up. So we could just walk inside the thick bush. I hope there are no snakes. Oh no, it doesn't look like. So yeah, you can have a real long walk over here. You go round and round and come back, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm sweating already, man. I didn't plan for this. I would have wore a t-shirt. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Put it in your comments, the comment section, to let me know how you like the place and how far it is from the town and the area where it is. You know, I'll put it on the comments section when you ask me on the comment section. So I believe I'll see you guys on the comments section. It's been nice here with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share and like the video, please. And the main thing is subscribe. That's what I'm looking for now. We are making it. We're going somewhere. So keep subscribing. Keep subscribing, man. Let's get to 1,000. Come on, guys. See, we're taking pictures over there. I'm going down the hill now. You see, guys. This is where I'm coming up from. It's up there. I'm coming down the hill. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's a beautiful place. So beautiful, so green and nice. Yeah. So I'll go down the stairs. Be careful sometimes you're walking over there, there's a stair. Slide down. This is lovely. This is what all this journey. Enjoy themselves. Hi. Trip here, man. Some of the stones are not holding. We'll see how it's going. Going that way. All the way down. It's coming from here. Yeah. It's evening time now. Before it starts getting dark. When we leave this place, it's always quiet and nice. Somebody's jogging. So that means you could come here if you want to jog too, because it's really like uphill, up, down, you know. So you could come, run, trek, but don't fall because there's a lot of steps and then some hilly places over here too. Yeah, so it's quiet and nice and green. Like I said, everybody just walking by, you know. I'm really sweaty. Just look at it, man. I don't know if the sun is there. Just look at me. I'm sweating. I'm sweaty. So we're going back to the car now. Then we head up back to town. It's been a lovely time over here. Quiet, a nice, beautiful place. Like I said, when you come in, you can come with your family, you come with your friends. You know, beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. All tall trees, man. Very tall trees. I don't know what the name of these trees are. You know, they're two very tall trees. I don't know if it's timber or what it is, but they're all very tall trees, man. So we're heading out. This is the first place I showed you that there's fish. I saw so many fishes, little fish inside here. Yeah, and by the way, you're not allowed to fish here, so that's why I think the fishes are just there. They're not to be disturbed. You can't fish here. If you fish here, you're caught, bro. You know where I'm talking about and where you're going. So don't fish here. Something, see the little fish, so many small fishes and tiny fish, and I don't think those fishes really grow.